Hi, Pádraig here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 191 Toyota Corolla Saloon. This is the Luna hybrid model, and it's got the low annual road tax, just €180, and it's taxed until February 2021. The car has a full McNally's Toyota service history, and it's sold at the balance of the manufacturer's warranty. And the car is finished in silver metallic paint. Some of the features the car has to offer are front fog lights as standard. It's got the 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with good tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork also. It's got a nice size spacious boot with protective boot liner included. Fold down seats for additional space also. Lots of legroom in the back with the centre armrest and cup holders. Isofix on both sides for the car seats. It's got front and rear electric windows and mirrors. Automatic headlights. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in cruise control, phone controls and radio controls. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. Dual air conditioning. USB and aux port. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox with the reversing camera. There's 45,770 kilometers on the clock. And it's a one-owner car from new. And it's finished in a navy cloth interior with centre armrest also. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options for this car, with as little as €90 per week. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621, or you can visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.